Are your real estate videos getting lost in the YouTube abyss? Let's transform your click-through rates in under 90 seconds by creating scroll-stopping YouTube thumbnails with Canva. First, head over to Canva.com and search for YouTube thumbnail. Canva offers tons of pre-designed templates. Find one that resonates with your brand and the style of your video. I'm choosing this bright and airy real estate template. It looks great. Now, let's customize it. Click on the existing text to change it to something attention-grabbing, like Dream Home Tour or Stunning Views. Keep it short, punchy, and relevant to your video topic. Choose a font that's easy to read and reflects your brand personality. Adjust the size and color so it really pops. Next, let's swap out the image. Upload a captivating photo of the property you're featuring. High-quality images are crucial. Zoom in or crop the picture to highlight its best features. Use Canva's filters to adjust the image's brightness, contrast, and saturation. This will help it blend seamlessly with the rest of the design. Now for some branding. Add your real estate logo and contact information somewhere on the thumbnail, but keep it subtle so it doesn't distract from the main image and text. Add a final call to action like watch now or new listing. To further entice viewers to click, ensure the design is clean and not cluttered, and you're done. Download your professional thumbnail. You are now ready to use it on your YouTube video. With a killer thumbnail, your real estate videos will attract more viewers, boost engagement, and drive traffic to your listings. Don't forget to subscribe for more real estate marketing tips.